Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about Shopify Plus analytics and reporting tools. So first thing we got to do is click on analytics on here on the left side. Then over here, you can see all your total sales over time, your gross sales, returning customer rate, orders fulfilled, orders. You can also see total sales breakdown, your gross sales, discounts, returns, etc. And you will have all the statistics of your store listed here. Now for reports, you can search the report that you need, and also you can just scroll down here and see all of the reports that are listed. That's it. Thanks for watching.